Kuchugulula impilo yalabo bangaboni kuhle emehlweni. uChristine Mbata sekusikhatshana nomraro kunaka ngemfundo zakhe ngoba akaboni kuhle kodwa nje uthi kusasa lakhe likhanya bha ubona kamnandi hle.
I did have an eyesight problem. I didn't see at school, and I had a problem with my eye, and my school results, they're not good at all. And then I was failing, repeating, failing. And then since the Rays of Hope helped me with the eyesight, and then that's fine for me, and I'm very proud of it.
I think vision-wise, I think it's going to be more, So I'm very thankful, guys.
Ngemva kweminyaka ebunane uNelson Mandela sichiye ephasini, abanye abantu bayabuza ukuthi ngabe lisaqhakathekile ilangeli nalo 67 minutes.
Tata, he was a giver and a lover. So that's one of the most spirits that we can take to ourselves, to love each other and to give to other people who haven't got. Because if you have got and you see somebody who haven't got, it must touch you as well.
Umaringo ukhuthaze ukumuntu bona athathe imizuzu eli-17 enze umehluko.
Talk about COVID-19. People lost their jobs. People lost sources of incomes, businesses. And over the years, the unemployment rate has just been growing and growing. As much as in the month of July, on the 18th of July, the 67 minutes would give back. But we tend to forget. When that is over, we tend to forget the most vulnerable.
Gilonyaka ilanga likaMandela licheche ukuhlogeka kokudla. Isiqubulo sanonyaka sithi do what you can with what you have where you are. Ukutsho ukuthi yenza okukhonako ngalokho nakho lapho ukhona.
There's still hope because we still have a country today. But we have it because many South Africans are saying it won't fail under my watch. And once we start like that, it means we're beginning to recognize that there's a leader in each one of us.
Ngokubambisana neMandela Foundation, iRays of Hope itshale imithi begodwa ikhuthaza abantu bona batshele imrogo. Ihlangano le ithi abantu bangaphi kwaphela ngelanga lentshabatshaba likaMandela benze njalo qobe langa.